Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to import .csv file in MongoDB. If you have not installed MongoDB and MongoDB Compass on your machine, I have given link in description box. Please check that link for installation of MongoDB. Now first we'll open MongoDB Compass. MongoDB Compass is showing new connection. Again, within that, it is showing MongoDB localhost. Again, it is giving number 27017. So this MongoDB is nothing but protocol. Localhost means on our local machine, we are installing MongoDB. So localhost is given. And 27017, it is default port number of MongoDB database server. Now we have to establish connection. So just click on connect button. Now see, if you observe toward left side, it is showing option databases and we want to create new database. So you have to click on this plus symbol to create database. Now to create a database, we have to provide database name and collection name. So I will provide the database name as STE123. Collection name as a employee. After this, create on this button, that is a create database. Now see, here database is created, but we have to add data within this. Now see, it is showing my database ST123. Again, within that, it is showing collection as a employee. Within this collection, we are going to add data. To add data, first we need CSV file. So how to create a CSV file? So you can create any file in XLS. If you have not created or if you don't have file, you can create file in the form of XLS. Here I have created one file in XLS format. So you have to change its format to CSV file. If I open, it is showing some rows and columns and its format is as .xls. Just click on file, save as, and here you can change the format as a CSV file. ampdata.csv and save this file. Now see, .csv file I have saved here. That .xls is converted into .csv. Now we want to upload this file, MongoDB Compass. Right now we are in this database ST123 and collection is employee. So just click on import data button. And you have to select that .csv file. Again here, you can change the data type also. Employee ID as an integer, long, double. So I will keep integer as it is. This is a mixed kind of data type. Or name, you can consider it as a string also. Again, the mobile number will be in the form of number, department will be string and address will be string. So rest of the things I want to keep as it is. Just click on import button. Now see, it is showing our data is created here. Data is added into database. It is showing 20 documents imported. If you want to see in the form of table, so just you have to click on this icon, that is table, which is at right corner. So it will show data in the form of table. Again, if whatever CSV file you have added, you want to change this value, here they have given option to change also. Also, if you want, you can delete this also. So friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any queries related with this video, you can comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.
Thank you.